Right, first thing, it's going to ask us some information about the video. So we need a title for what we're going to sell. I'll call it the Happy Me Business Vimeo on demand tutorial. You might want to call it shorter. You can see at the top it's got into dots. How to upload a video to Vimeo on demand. Obviously, you're going to put your description, all very self-explanatory. You're going to spend a little bit more time selling your video better than me. Release year, this is 2021. Obviously, if you filmed it previous years and you want to show that, you can. Choose up to 2 genres that best describe your work. This determines where you will appear in the directory. So obviously you want it to land in certain places. So you're going to pick, I'll pick documentary for this. Obviously you're going to pick whatever suits you. Instructional, tags, Vimeo. Oh, it's not a comma, doesn't work. Ad, on demand. Obviously you're going to tag golf, football, whatever tutorial it is, just words that make sense with this. Sell video, add some tags. Content rating, is it rated for all, audience, or mature? So if there's any language in there that's bad, or there's any obviously graphic content, nudity, things like that, you obviously make it mature. There's some frequently asked questions on that. Primary language, mine's obviously in English, even though my accent may not sound like it. And then if you've got any hard-coded subtitles, you can say what those are in. Mine hasn't. Don't think Vimeo or anything else will be able to work out my accent. And that is it for the initial description. You can edit and tinker with it later. It isn't a set-in-stone moment. Save and continue.